Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today, oh my goodness, this will be review number 4,300 on www.theramenraider.com. And lo and behold, who do we have here? This is Maruchan ramen noodle soup, chicken flavor from the United States. One of the most ubiquitous and easy to find instant noodles you can find here in the U.S. It's not only a tasty thing, but it's also a form of currency in U.S. prisons, from what I hear. But aside from that, this is like an anniversary for them. Not today per se, but this year, I believe it's their 50th. So I'd like to say, yeah, I think 1972. Come on, get in there. 1972 anniversary. Ow, 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 ow. No, stop doing that. Come on. Sorry. But, yeah. They're having an anniversary. Nissan Foods just had an anniversary. It's just anniversary time because it's about 50 years since the instant noodle really touched down in the U.S. in a major way. Cup products, pack products. I think bowls weren't too far behind, and there has been an evolution and an amazing story of instant noodles and who makes them going on for years. And while you might just see a packet of instant noodles, I see like a panacea of fascinating stuff. I know, I'm the Ramen Raider guy, and that's my thing. But I'm going to tell you right now, there is nothing I find more fascinating than to talk to people that work in the instant noodle industry about instant noodle industry stuff. Currently, flour is through the roof in Southeast Asia. Why? Because a lot of these companies get it from the Ukraine. What else is through the roof? Palm oil, which you use to fry the noodles, which are made out of the flour. Yeah. It's a rough go all over the place. You think, oh wow, these are really cheap. They won't be cheap for long. There's a lot of stuff. Especially, think about this. How many places have you seen, for example, the Maruchan chicken ramen noodle soup? You see it everywhere. Now, think about how many metric tons of wheat flour they go through to make all that. Repeatedly, constantly. You have to have sourcing managers to like coordinate all this stuff. It's like, we're gonna get this much and we're gonna run out at this time. We need to have this. But this isn't like, yeah, I need to go to the store, get a bag of gold medal flour. No, they need like 40 truckloads of it to fill an order. Stuff like that. It's like, I used to do some business for a place that dealt with food science, and they would tell me about their previous jobs. Like one guy sourced potatoes for McDonald's for the whole West Coast. Can you even imagine the scale and amount of potatoes you'd need to make that much French fries? I mean, every time somebody goes to McDonald's, they order, there's French fries involved. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Think of Subway. Think of how much other vegetables. And that's a tricky one too, because they go bad, you know? Very delicate supply chain. But I find that stuff so fascinating. That's like listening to somebody talk about that is like, I don't know. It just really, I don't know. Maybe it's just me, and that's fine. I don't care if it's just me, you know. But yeah, I just like to learn as much as I can about that stuff. So here's our seasoning base. Then we stir, and now we have chicken flavor ramen noodle soup from Maruchan. I think they're in either Gardena or Irvine. I always mix up who's from where. Or Garden Grove. Maybe that's it. Hey guinea pigs, what the heck are you doing? They've been really weird lately. But I know Maruchan lowered their sodium content a few years ago. I want to say like 3 or 4 years ago. So this isn't the first time I'll be having it. Well, the last time I think I had this, I made bread with it, so that wasn't the same deal. This is just straight Maruchan instant noodle. Cheers. Mmm. No, 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 no. Okay. And the broth is very light in color. I don't know if you can see it. It's nice. It's got like a buttery, chickeny kind of flavor to it. And I gotta say, if I right now had a cold or something, I mean, it's very comfort foody. It's definitely got the flavor of artificial chicken for folks in the US down pat. I gotta say, it's like chicken and a biscuit soup. It's perfect. Is it a 5-star? I'm not gonna go that far, but it's good. As far as pillow pack varieties go, economy pillow pack variety market, I would say it's stellar. It's stellar. It's really good. And so let's give it some homage. There's our noodle. It could use some chicken. I made some eggs, and I'm not exactly so sure about how well they came out. I'm gonna eat a piece of this chicken. Oh, the chicken came out good. That's nice. So this egg and its 3 friends that are going to continue to marinate, I did it in Maggi seasoning because I'm out of soy sauce. But I've heard people doing it, so I thought, why not give it a try? I only made them a couple hours ago, so they're not exceedingly dark yet, but kind of went a little long, unfortunately. And a little bit of mung bean sprout, I think. And then we have some spring onion. And, you know, I'll add something that I think probably not a lot of people add to this. A little bit of Lao Gan Ma spicy chili crisp. And finally, to round out the whole deal, a little sesame seed. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it. I'm tempted to put some... Let's see how we got that. You know, why not? Some slightly submerged Naruto-maki. There you go. New music. Well, that's it for me for today. Hope you enjoyed. Happy anniversary to Maruchan. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.